back. Today we are taking our body language knowledge into the workplace. In professional settings, nonverbal communication can be a game changer, influencing how we are perceived by colleagues, bosses, and clients, and even at times affecting our career trajectory. Let's start with a job interview. This is where first impressions matter the most. Your body language can make or break your chances of landing that dream job. Confident entry. Walk in with your head held high, shoulders back, and a genuine smile. This projects self-assurance and puts you in a positive mindset. Firm handshake. Offer a firm handshake while making eye contact. This shows confidence and respect. Avoid a limp handshake, which can signal insecurity. Open posture. Sit up straight, lean slightly forward, and keep your arms uncrossed. This conveys attentiveness and engagement. Active listening, not occasionally. Maintain the eye contact and use facial expressions to show that you're following along. Avoid fidgeting or looking distracted. Once you have landed the job, your body language continues to play a crucial role in your success. Team meetings project confidence and competence by speaking clearly, making the eye contact with colleagues, and using open gestures. Avoid slouching, crossing your arms, or looking disengaged. Presentations. Just stand tall, use expansive gestures, and make eye contact with different members of the audience. Avoid nervous habits like fidgeting or pacing. Networking events. Approach people with a warm smile and open posture. Lean in slightly to show interest and mirror their body language to build rapport. Avoid standing with your arms crossed or looking around the room, which can make you appear unapproachable. Leadership and authority. Power posing. Practice the power poses like standing with your hands on your hips or sitting with your legs spread and arms behind your head. Research suggests that withholding these poses for a few minutes can actually increases testosterone, the dominance hormone, and decreases the cortisol, which is the stress hormone. Commanding presence. Just stand tall, walk with purpose, and make the direct eye contact. Use clear and confident voice. Avoid fidgeting or using the hesitant language. Active listening. Show respect and attentiveness by leaning forward, making the eye contact, and nodding occasionally. Avoid interrupting or looking distracted. Workplace etiquette. Respect personal space. It's very important. Avoid invading others' personal space, especially in close quarters like elevators or shared workspaces. Be mindful of the cultural differences. What's considered appropriate body language in one culture may not be in another one. Be aware of these differences to avoid misunderstandings. By mastering these body language skills, you'll not only enhance your professional image, but also build stronger relationships with colleagues, impress your superiors, and increase your chances of success. Just remember, in the workplace, your body language can speak louder than your mere words. So use it wisely to communicate confidence, competence, and leadership.